Hey guys, if your office chair doesn't roll like it used to, you probably have the same issue I had. The wheels are stuck because they're jammed with hair, dust, and all kinds of junk. To fix it, you'll need to do just 3 simple steps. By the way, if you find this content helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks. Step number 1. Remove the wheels from the chair. As you'll see in the video, it's not hard. Just grab the wheel, twist it left and right a bit, and pull it out. My chair has 5 double wheels, and taking them off doesn't take much time. This is probably the easiest part. Step 2. Separate the 2 halves of each wheel. Here's where it gets a little trickier. In my opinion, the easiest way to do this is by using 2 open-end wrenches. You could try cleaning without taking the wheels apart, but honestly, it's much easier once you separate them. You'll need wrenches thin enough to fit between the 2 wheels. In my case, there is a plastic divider between the 2 halves. So I slide one wrench between one wheel and the divider, and the other wrench on the opposite side. Then I gently pry them apart, basically popping the wheels off the metal axle. The first one was tough, I won't lie. Take your time, go slow, and be careful not to injure yourself or break the wheel. If it's not coming off, it might be because there is too much junk jammed inside. Just start cleaning a bit as you go and keep trying. The whole process took me around 30 minutes. As the wheels start to come apart, you can switch to larger wrenches. They give you more leverage and make it easier to continue prying them open. Out of 5 wheel sets, only 1 came apart evenly. The others, I had to remove one side first and then the other. Once they're apart, clean everything really well. I used a folding knife and some paper towels to scrape and wipe out all the junk. Some of the axles had rust on them, so I added a bit of oil, and that actually helped the wheels spin better afterward. As you'll see later in the video, I couldn't fully take apart one of the wheel sets, only one half came off. So I just cleaned it as best I could without fully removing it. Step 3. Reattach the wheels to the chair. This part easy. Just line up the wheel and press it back in with a firm push. That's it. And that's it. The wheels were just super dirty and that's why they couldn't spin. If this video helped you out, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. And let me know in the comments, did it work for you or not? Was it useful or not? Thanks for watching, guys.